Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is taking advantage of this beautiful up-down weather. Um, for those of us that live in, well, I live in North Carolina, and my zone is, well, it was 7B, and I think it's updated to 8A, I believe. I'm not sure, double check that. But yes, in my zone we have up down weather where it's like 70 degrees, and then next day it's back to freezing cold. So yeah, we in between like the sandals out but keep your boots out just in case type thing. But either way it goes, I'm taking advantage of it fully. I'm getting out there in the garden, doing the things that I need to do, watering the things that are not getting watered, like the things that are underneath my patios and porches and stuff, making sure they get water, because sometimes I can forget. Even though they're outside, they don't get water because they're, shaded. So I'm just trying to keep up with all the things that we have going on. As far as the garden, I am getting ready to get out here and build some more boxes for the different other spots that I have, that I plan on adding some more crops around the garden and around the side of the porches and different things like that. So I'll be out here building boxes and just getting prepared and getting ready for this upcoming beautiful spring gardening season that we all will have. I'm coming in to encourage you and to motivate you that this will be a successful year. Even if you're starting out, it's going to be successful, okay? And with that being in mind, my mom sent me a message the other day that sat well with me, and it just it resonates so well with I believe that most of us go through and are growing through in the garden and as well as our life. So let me read you guys this. Know that you can be ready for change and growth. Know that when you see growth in your life in different areas at different times, you're growing through what you've been through, and growth is constantly happening while you are in the midst of going through your present. Knowing that you have come this far with God/universe in the form of resiliency, even the small things. Use the resilience from your last win and use that as motivation for your next win, no matter how small or large. Don't get in your own head that it was all you. It's the power of your Most High and prayers. Stay in your lane and out of your head. We have wins visible every day. Oftentimes we choose not to acknowledge them unless they are the size of a mountain. Let's do better. We say we go through things when the truth is we grow through things.